So we're here to talk about quality built in a factory and what that means to the consumer. Stick with us as we go through the shop talking about the Modular Advantage through the lens of quality. So here we are in stage one, where we take the lumber in from this door behind me, we put it on this saw, run it through optimized for length so we have scraps no greater than this when we're done. Check this out. We take the saw and we're cutting that and it's perfectly square. So when the guys are on the production line banging out walls, everything is tight, square, and goes together nicely. Another modular advantage is this table that we have. It's perfectly square. So when we build our floors and walls, they come out square. And what does that mean? When you go to put cabinets or a desk or something into your house, you're not sitting there screwed up sideways. Say you want to put some tile in or you want to do anything. If you start out with a square foundation, you will always have everything else above it come out square. Super key, having this table here where it's built. Another modular advantage, other than building indoors, is the fact that we can work at comfortable heights. So when the electricians are running wires or the plumbers are doing pipes, it's all at chest height. So we don't have to be on our backs, crawling around, putting stuff, and more apt to cut corners. If you can imagine crawling around on a job site in the mud and the dirt. This just allows for clean work, easy access, and very consistent work. Another modular advantage is the fact that this is a roof and it's upside down and the fascia board is ready to be painted and will be painted before the roofing goes on. What that is a full coat of paint all the way behind where your drip edge would normally be. On site, that gets painted on the exterior paint job long after the roofing is installed. So you have unprotected wood right here where you have tons of water flowing down in and around the gutter. Very key being able to get that coated. Another advantage is the pre-planning that goes into the build. Right here is backing for cabinets, so you've got solid screw surfacing for making sure that the cabinets don't fall off the wall. As with any normal site-built house, modular homes are also wrapped with house wrap. The difference comes in the advantage in which we can control the install of this siding. If we look close, this piece of trim was installed and then they caulk the end of it right here, and then they take this piece and squish that caulk out by pushing this one on later. Otherwise, if we tried to put caulk in there now, there's no way that caulk is going to make its way all the way to the back. Super key having the installation instructions followed by the manufacturer. We can ensure that's done here every time, all the time. Inventory and where it gets stored is another advantage. Could you imagine all of this stuff being stored on a job site in the rain, in the mud, and then you're trying to use it? We now have stickiness and all of the stuff that's actually sticky. That stuff gets wet or through the mud, and it ain't gonna happen. Another modular advantage is the fact that you have entire teams reviewing processes. Behind us, we have the planning team that goes through and checks out the production of the homes, making sure that standards are being met, if standards need to be changed, and if things need to be improved. Look at the number of eyeballs and intensity that's going on behind me. Drip, drop, Pacific Northwest chill and rain is in the air, but with the modular advantage, we don't have to worry about that. We simply pull our tarp out right here to protect the finished house on this side, and we can now spray this house in a factory dry all year, anytime, wherever we're at. Just get it coated with some heavy-duty paint and it's prepared for the weather outside. So no matter where a house is going to end up as its final destination, just because it's built in a factory doesn't always mean it has to be built poorly. These homes are ready for anything. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and catch you on the next video.